few years back, I used to think that earning more money will make me rich. But then I got to know that money habits play the most crucial role to make any person rich. The millionaires always focus on their money habits, that's why they are actually millionaires. Well, in this particular video, I will be telling you the 20 best money habits that will make you a millionaire in 2023, and these habits are also followed by Sir Warren Buffett and other millionaires, and also the people who are struggling to get rich. Don't miss the last habit, as it is suggested by almost every billionaires. Now let's start. 1. Pay off your debts. Paying off any unpaid debts as soon as you can is the only way to become debt-free. Credit card debt is a drain on your resources, and the interest rates are often rather high, as opposed to a mortgage, which is an investment in your future. Make it a practice to pay off some of your debt each month, but be sure it's an amount that covers more than simply interest. 2. Utilize a 401k management app. Thinking ahead is a crucial stage in setting up finances for success for anyone with solid money management practices. This is particularly true when it comes to retirement planning. For instance, Bloom handles any 401k, regardless of the location of the account or the place of employment of the account holder. You may start discovering wise financial practices that work for you using Bloom. Why not utilize the 401k retirement software to help you with your savings and development, which is just what you need? 3. Establish and adhere to a reasonable budget. Simplicity in calculations is the ultimate key to a sound budget. Include all of your necessary costs together with your household's total annual revenue. Your mortgage or rent, utilities, insurance, healthcare, and food costs should all be listed here. You should aim to save some money each month using the money you have left over after paying your bills and paying down part of your debt. If you want to know more better money habits, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Start small while investing. You want to invest to increase the value of your money, but you're not sure how to start. There's really an app for that, so it's okay. You may start out small and gradually build up your savings using Worthy Bonds, a free software. For instance, if you spend $9.50 on groceries, 50 cents will be added to your Worthy Bonds investing account. It's an incredible method for beginning to save without giving it much thought. 5. Search for free financial assistance. Especially if it's free, asking for financial assistance is not shameful. In actuality, seeking for professional assistance is just a wise financial practice. It may get fairly expensive to hire someone to manage your finances. Downloading Long Game could be a better option. You may regain control of your finances with the aid of Long Game Savings, a savings account that offers cash incentives, cryptocurrency rewards, and slot machine games. 6. Track your expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, it's hard to make a budget that will work or to stop spending on things that aren't necessary. You should monitor your expenditures because of this. Establish the practice of keeping track of every transaction you make each day. You'll be better able to reduce spending on items you don't need once you understand where your money is going. 7. Know how to use what you already have. You must learn how to make the most of what you currently have if you want to increase your monthly income and form wise financial practices. This may be as easy as renting out a room you don't need right now or reusing an item. Nowadays, everyone is aware of Airbnb. However, have you truly thought of renting out a room, floor, or piece of property that you aren't using? If you know how to improve a home and then list it for the widest possible audience, you may make quite a considerable sum of money. 8. Be frugal with your money. You shouldn't always dine out or get the most recent technology just because you can. Learn to live as if you make less money than you actually do, then save the difference. Sir Warren Buffett always suggests to be frugal. He himself also follows this advice. He still now lives in a house he bought in 1958. You must also start copying Sir Warren Buffett. 9. Pay your bills on time. Make it a practice to pay your bills and other obligations on schedule. When you pay late even once, your finances can spiral out of control and it may take months before you can do so again. Avoiding late fees is another benefit of paying your bills on time. 10. Purchase insurance. Although it's not something many people want to consider, life insurance may shield your loved ones from financial devastation. If costly objects are lost, stolen, or destroyed, other insurance plans like those for your car, house, and belongings can help you avoid spending too much money. 11. Review bank statements regularly. Examine your bank statements frequently to get control over your finances. Even if you keep track of your expenditures, you might not have budgeted for bank and other fees. You will just need 5 to 10 minutes to go through your bank statement, so do that. 12. Establish a savings fund. Open a second bank account that is used only for savings if you haven't already. It won't take long before you establish a respectable savings account if you contribute money each month. Keeping the money in a savings account is better than keeping it in home. You will get at least some interest when you keep your money in the savings account. 13. Obtain inspiration. You need to get enthusiastic about what you want to accomplish in order to get over any mental obstacles you may have put in your way of reaching your objectives, whether they involve saving money, creating money, or even something as challenging as losing weight. 14. Look for less costly options. We've all looked around for less expensive subscriptions, Comcast bills, and auto insurance coverage in the past. Why spend more if you don't have to is a prudent financial practice. With the use of the specialized app Cushion, you may save money by looking for less expensive alternatives to products you currently own and use. When you download the Cushion app, it scans your accounts for regular subscriptions and compares the costs of your existing bills to inform you of less expensive choices. 15. Create a portfolio for real estate investments. Again, investing is a great method to increase your savings. An excellent strategy to generate passive income may be to invest in rental houses. A nice method to do this is with Roofstock. This platform revolutionizes the way real estate investors purchase and sell properties by providing a completely online purchasing experience. With Roofstock, you can buy and sell single-family houses to turn into rentals or remodel and resell for a quick profit. To rapidly compare purchase costs, neighborhoods, and possible investment returns, you may search the current inventory of houses. 16. Consider how you use your vehicle. Depending on whether you own a car or not, this advice might go in one of two directions. If you don't drive, you'll save a ton on petrol and help the environment. Additionally, you can always hire a car through Turo if you don't own a car but need to utilize one for more than just a short trip. You may hire directly from private owners, sometimes for far lower rates than those offered by airport auto rental agencies. If you do have a car, consider being the person who rents their car out to earn cash. Insurance is all handled by Turo, and it's an excellent way to make money using an asset you already have. 17. Get rewards for installing a mobile app. Good money management practices today are defined as having downloaded a few money-saving smartphone applications. Where free software can provide the same service for less money, there is simply no need to spend more. Let's speak about the Drop app, which is available for download right now and is completely free. You may earn points and make savings when you purchase online when you download the Drop app. 18. Cut back on bank fees. The fear of doing your banking in person shouldn't stop you from aiming for sound financial practices. There is an app that will negotiate on your behalf, so you don't even need to enter a bank. Because of this, applications like Cushion are fantastic and essential. Your bank and credit card costs will be reimbursed using this straightforward software. 19. Invest in what you think is right. Invest in causes you care about to make money. As an illustration, Wealthsimple offers investors the chance to grow their funds. No matter how much money you have, all customers have unrestricted access to professional financial planners through this platform, which also offers a wide range of portfolio alternatives, including socially conscious solutions that support your values. In fact, when you sign up with Wealthsimple, your first $10,000 will be managed for free for a year. 20. Get a free phone. Trying to find a free phone? The solution may be simply cell phones. For individuals that fulfill their conditions, the firm provides a free or heavily discounted cell phone. The initiative is providing phones to people all throughout the nation as part of its mission to aid the less fortunate. That's all for today. Now you know all the best money habits that will make you rich. These habits are very much essential for making someone a millionaire. These better money habits are suggested by Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Charlie Munger, and many more millionaires. Subscribe our channel to watch more amazing videos related to finances. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Press the like button, it motivates us to make more amazing videos related to personal finance. Comment below if you are having any queries in your mind. Thanks for watching.